What's up, YouTube? So, this is a little series about my tool haul that's coming in. As I said, I lost count. So, we're going to take a look at some stuff right now. So, first up, got this little oil filter wrench. Works well for my 05 Silverado. Got a 9mm 3/8 Tekton impact socket. As you can see, the new ones have the 9. It's like really big. Got the Focus 12-piece 3/8 drive external star E4 to E20 with rail. Screw it. CP turned me on to dynamic. So this is the 19-piece standard metric socket set. Excellent knurling on that. These will work well in the shop. Also picked up the dynamic 5-piece pliers set. Let me get the part number for you. There you are. So, as you can see, focus, lifetime warranty on the pliers. So, we use these in the shop. This is the Tekton 25-foot 3/8 inner diameter air hose. Very nice. Got a generic test light because we keep losing them. This, get it into focus, is a 3/8 inch, 33 inch locking impact extension. Will work well in the shop. This right here, let me see if I can find a part number. I doubt it. It's a 43-inch Pry Bar. It's by Gray Tool, which is also part of Dynamic. Very stout Pry Bar. I got another Steelman 1/2-inch drive to 3/8 impact extension, 36-inch. Now moving over, I got a Pro Lift Creeper, the Z. We got a couple of these in the shop, but I needed one for home. And as you can see, that fell, the Gearwrench mobile work table. My boss and I were talking about that, and we decided that that would be the best option for the shop, especially for me, because I'm going outside a lot. So there it is. So there's more stuff coming in a couple of days. I want to try to update this video as it goes along. Video series anyway. But with that, like, comment, share, subscribe. You might want to turn on the notifications because I'm going to be coming out with a lot of content. So with that, thanks to all my subscribers, and keep it on the track.